Hello guys, welcome back to Life and Living. Do you want to add fall to your home interior? Here are Fall Trends 2023. When it comes to fall fashion, it's true that not much has changed. We all still adore the warm, natural colors that represent nature and the organic textures that go perfectly with these hues. However, there are always intriguing new autumn fashion trends. These are the ones we prefer. 1. Color from ceiling to wall. The coziness of the room will be enhanced by matching the ceiling color to the walls, especially if the walls are a warm, cozy tint. This is crucial in the autumn when airy rooms can suddenly feel cold. 2. Trajectory patterns. For the entire year of 2023, many fabric and wallpaper firms have been revisiting and recoloring their previous collections, but it plays particularly nicely into the autumn season, when we are all yearning for warmer, stronger colors than the original work may have provided. 3. Carpets rebirth. While wooden floors have recently taken center stage in many houses, patterned carpets are once again becoming trendy. Particularly, patterns and colors that reflect nature are becoming more and more popular, but so are those with bold patterns, with central motifs, as in the area rug above, and those with a hand-cut raised profile. 4. Subtle patterns. Abstract patterns are a sophisticated approach to incorporate fall into your decor while subtly fusing warm and brilliant hues to produce an arresting show. Display a few ceramic sculptures in front of a beautiful wall covering to create a picture-perfect contemporary vignette. A brilliant and bold print results from what appears to be the right-angle joining of square blocks. 5. Colors in warm tones. Seeking new color schemes for your space? Think of a timeless color palette for the autumn. Warm hues and earthy tones are fall fashion mainstays that never go out of style, but which ones will be popular in 2023? Despite using terracotta and other earth tones in your decorating, deep ruby reds and earthy crimsons make a striking statement. 5. Antique find. Mid-century modern has dominated this year. You can't open an interiors magazine or look for furniture without seeing this trend on display. The retro fashion, however, will advance and take on a more 70s vibe towards the conclusion of this year. Think robust, earthy tones with vibrant splashes of color. Bold patterns are also popular again, which certainly fits this time period. 7. Think about natural finishes. Earthy tones are ideal for enhancing a space and bringing in a peaceful vibe. Rich walnuts and soothing oaks are a good way to bring a touch of the outdoors and create a warming, cozy feel in a kitchen that is excellent for the autumn months. 7. Coziness. Making a home feel cozier by looking at fall bedding patterns is one of the main fall trends. As the weather cools and we look to unwind with friends and family over the winter, cozy room designs have become a requirement in many people's homes. The goal of this calming and restorative look is to turn your home into a tranquil refuge where you can unwind and refuel. Each space has been created to generate a feeling that is relaxed and livable, using organic materials, natural textures, and a soft neutral palette throughout wonderfully constructed furniture and accessories. 8. Fall florals. An easy fall trend tip that can be applied to liven up any area of the house for the season is to swap out summer blooming for fall-inspired florals. Use the same stem in each vessel rather than combining different branches. This allows the eye to easily move to other items in the area while maintaining the arrangement's timeless and consistent appearance. The more subdued color palette of dried stems makes them ideal for autumn because they go well with any type of seasonal decor. For more texture and foliage, try substituting dried eucalyptus for your floral stems. One of the most popular fall decorating trends to emerge in 2023 is the use of dried flowers, and closely behind it is the using old-fashioned and rustic vessels to exhibit them. If you made up to here in the video, it means you find the video helpful and interesting, so I would really appreciate if you subscribe to my channel and like this video. Thank you.